What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be doing an all-day clean with me. I literally was cleaning from late morning till early evening. So this is my cleaning routine that I am doing before I have guests. I had guests flying in from Seattle, so I wanted to make sure that the house was nice and clean and organized. And then the towels that I use, these microfiber towels, I actually have them in my Amazon store, which is linked below in my description box. And I also have a lot of other products and like things that I use around my house in my Amazon store if you wanted to check that out. This is my little basket that I have for company. When they come, they can use any of these like sample type shampoo and conditioners and lotions and all that good stuff. So I like to keep that in the kids' bathroom because that's the bathroom that everyone uses when they come to visit. I like to also put like fresh washcloths in this little basket just so they don't have to go hunting around to figure out where the towels are and washcloths and stuff like that. They're just right there if they need to use those each morning. And then I'm gonna go ahead and spray down the toilet and kind of let the product sit there, and then I'm going to also spray down the bathtub and let the product sit in there too. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these Clorox wipes to wipe down the toilet and the garbage can. And then what I like to do is go down kind of behind the toilet, the back of the wall behind the toilet, and just make sure I get that area really good, especially if you have boys in the house. I've been searching. And then this basket, I always keep toilet paper in there for the kids. So then it's just easier for whoever is in the bathroom to refill the toilet paper roll without having to go look for the toilet paper. Try to figure out those lines up. If you are new to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing to my channel if you guys like my video. I also have other videos down below in the description box. And don't forget to turn on that little notification bell, you guys, because I know a lot of our subscribers are not getting our videos, so you guys get notified so you guys don't miss another video. So I am going to go ahead and clean up my office. When I work in here, Ava likes to bring all of her toys in here and color books and everything. So I'm going to do that, pick this place up. And then also I do have an office transformation video. I put a lot of work in that video. I absolutely love it. I will link it below or in the eye in the sky if you guys wanted to check it out if you haven't seen it yet. And then these are all of our suitcases and things that we take with us when we travel, and we just got back from Washington a couple weeks ago, and yes, they have been sitting in here, so I went ahead and put all of those away. And then the clothes right here are actually clothes that are being donated from my son, my teenage son. There's a lot of things in here there he cannot fit anymore. So now the never-ending chore, I am not a huge fan of at all. If you guys are a long-time watcher, you guys know I complain about laundry all the time. So thankfully I had Ava's little help. She was doing like some socks and folding some washcloths, and then Isaiah was kind of grabbing his own things and putting them in his room, which helped save time. Never felt happiness together with you. Never as lonely as together with you. But it's where I wanna be. All right, I'm gonna close my eyes. Yay! Good job! You cleaned your room! Woo! So now I'm going to go ahead and just vacuum this little couch. This is actually a couch that people sleep on, so I wanted to make sure that was all fresh. So the product I'm going to be using to clean off the entertainment center is the Mrs. Meyer's pumpkin scent, and it is one of their new fall scents, and I love it so much. I actually tried out the apple cider and pumpkin, but I'm really loving the pumpkin right now because it's just that time of the season for me. So I am using that. And so right now I'm going to go ahead and switch out the laundry and then also hang any of the clothes that I like to hang dry and I don't put in the dryer. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and do my normal kitchen routine, which is doing the dishes, cleaning the counters, and then if the stove and microwave and those things need to be cleaned, then I will clean those too. Some obsess about So for my stove, I'm actually using the Women's Cooktop Cleaner. It works really well to getting any kind of like hard food that's stuck on your stove. It comes right up. So now some time has passed and I had to continue and finish cleaning. So we are sweeping the living room, and it is dark outside now. So that is why the lighting is kind of funky, because it's now nighttime. If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. I can feel it grow like a body of water, sleeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never. So right now I am using the Clorox wipes and cleaning the banister here. It kind of was stained a little bit, and when I use these wipes, you guys, it comes out super clean. It gets everything off of there, and then it also disinfects. And the same thing with around the door and the light fixtures or the light switches. It gets any kind of like muckiness and fingerprints off, and also disinfects at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and say hi down below in the comments. I love you guys. Bye.